I'm not happy. I'm not happy. Look at this shit. No, I hate you. I hate you, Snow. I hate you. I effing hate you. It is the first day of spring. Where's all the damn flowers? We live in a southern state. This is Maryland, damn it. I literally want to, like, hang myself over a building and flop like a dead fish right now. My hair looks good, though. I like the color against the snow. Like, are we being punked? Like, Mother Nature, what are you doing? So now I have to shovel a path. March 20th, for the Lord's sake. Shovel a path so my dogs can pee. That's it. I'm done. I'm done with this place. Excuse me, I'm moving somewhere warm. Cannot take it. Cannot take this crap anymore. I hate white stuff. I hate all kinds of white. Like, this is not pretty to me. This is Satan. This is the devil. Action. I literally hate my life right now. FML. FML. If you know what I mean. Look at the snow. It's so pretty. My dogs are gonna they're literally gonna come outside and be like, oh, no, and go right back inside when they see this crap. Because that's what I do. They're just like their mother. I came out, I was like, oh, no, and I'm back inside. Somebody that lives in Florida, can you please adopt me? Adopt me, take me with you. I want to live in Florida. I want to swim in a pool and have fun and go to Disney. I don't want to be here in Poo-Poo Head, Maryland. Live in Maryland, they said. It would be fun, they said. Not. Literally, this shit is not supposed to stop until 12 hours from now. Like, I'm gonna be stuck in my apartment for like 9 years. This shit, they said, is not supposed to stop for like 12 more hours. Like, what? What? It's making me crazy. I'm gonna have cabin fever. So now I'm gonna shovel and probably die of a heart attack from shoveling. I hate this. My nose is running because it's so cold. I want 65-degree weather or higher. I want this crap. Better melt quick, because I ain't got time. Bye. Lord Jesus, help me. Lord Jesus. Mwah. Clark Smith Adventures. Wish me luck. If you don't hear from me, I'll be buried in a snowdrift somewhere. I'll talk to you later. Love you. Bye.